Hello, it's me, Oscar from Marijuana Garden.
A diamond is forever. Oh, and so is this battery. Imagine a world powered by diamonds. Not just any diamonds, but batteries made with them. This isn't science fiction, it's the groundbreaking work of brilliant minds at the University of Bristol. They've created the diamond battery, a revolutionary concept that could change how we power our world. These batteries utilize the power of radioactivity locked safely within a diamond heart. This isn't about a quick burst of energy. This is about power that could last for generations. The idea sounds like something straight out of a comic book, but the science is very real. The diamond battery is designed to last for an incredibly long time, far longer than any battery we use today. Imagine medical devices that never need their batteries replaced, or spacecraft exploring the cosmos for millennia. The possibilities are truly dazzling. The science sparkle how diamond batteries work. So how do these diamond batteries actually work? The secret lies in the fascinating world of radioactivity. At the heart of these batteries is a radioactive material carefully contained within a diamond structure. This material, often carbon-14, slowly decays over time, releasing tiny particles. These particles, known as beta particles, are the key to unlocking the battery's energy. As these beta particles interact with the diamond, something amazing happens. They knock loose electrons, creating an electrical current. The diamond itself plays a crucial role, acting as both a shield to contain the radioactivity and a pathway to conduct the electricity. It's a beautiful example of nature's power harnessed for human ingenuity. Blazing a trail from nickel-63 to carbon-14. The journey of the diamond battery began with a radioactive isotope called nickel-63. Scientists used this isotope to create the first prototypes, proving that the concept could work. However, nickel-63, while effective, has a shorter lifespan than its successor, carbon-14. Carbon-14, a byproduct of nuclear reactors, emerged as a more sustainable and longer-lasting option. With a half-life of thousands of years, carbon-14 offered the potential for batteries that could power devices for generations. And now scientists have successfully created the world's first carbon-14 diamond battery, marking a giant leap towards a future of near-limitless energy. A battery for the future applications and challenges. The potential applications of diamond batteries are as vast as the universe itself. Imagine pacemakers that never need replacing, providing a lifetime of reliable power. Picture satellites exploring the cosmos for centuries, sending back valuable data. Envision sensors monitoring critical infrastructure, ensuring safety and efficiency for decades to come. However, no scientific breakthrough is without its challenges. Cost remains a significant hurdle. Diamonds, even lab-grown ones, are not cheap. Additionally, while the batteries have incredible lifespans, their power output is relatively low. This makes them unsuitable for high-power applications, at least for now. Yet, despite these challenges, the future of the diamond battery shines bright. As research continues, we can expect to see these tiny powerhouses revolutionize industries from medicine to space exploration. The age of the diamond battery is just beginning.